My friends, imagine if your favorite anime character, fantasy crush, or chaotic story partner was always one message away. Not just a regular chatbot that gives dry answers, but a character with their own personality, mood, and memory. Someone who can joke with you, react to your story, stay in character, and continue the conversation like you never left. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're looking at Emochi, an AI character chat app focused on roleplay, long-term memory, and more personal conversations with your favorite AI characters. And the interesting part is that this app is not just about quick messages. It's built for people who want the chat to feel more like an ongoing story, where the character remembers the details, keeps the same vibe, and makes the interaction feel more alive. Also, I have left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Alright guys, let's see how Emochi works in practice. So first, I downloaded the app and opened it on my phone. Right away you can see different AI characters inside. The interface is simple, so you can just scroll, explore the characters, choose different categories, check what fits your mood, and pick the one that matches the kind of conversation you want. Before starting the chat, I opened one of the character profiles. For example, I picked this pirate-style character, and here you can already get a feel for who this character is. You see the image, the backstory, and the general personality before you even send the first message. So you are not just choosing a random bot, you are choosing the kind of story, mood, and energy you want to step into. Once you enter the chat, everything works like a normal messaging app. You type a message, send it, and the character replies in their own style. But the fun part is that it does not feel like a regular chatbot. The character reacts to your message, keeps the mood of the scene, and helps move the conversation forward. Friends, from here you can guide the story however you want. You can make it funny, dramatic, romantic, mysterious, or just casual. The app gives you the space to create your own interaction instead of following one fixed script. And the replies are not only direct character answers. Emochi can also describe the setting around you, the atmosphere of the scene, the character's actions, facial expressions, and movements. So the chat feels more like a small written scene, not just a basic message exchange. For example, you can start with a simple introduction and slowly turn it into a longer storyline. Or you can just have a quick fun conversation when you want something more personal and entertaining. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Mates, one of the strongest parts of Emochi is that the character can keep the conversation feeling consistent. So if you are building a longer roleplay thread, it does not feel like everything disappears after a few messages. This is especially useful if you want the chat to feel more like an ongoing story. You can come back to the same character, continue the vibe, and keep building the relationship or scene over time. Another useful feature is message editing. If you send something and then realize you want to change the tone, make the scene more interesting, or guide the character differently, you can edit your message instead of starting over. Guys, this is a small thing, but for roleplay it is actually very useful. Sometimes one sentence changes the whole direction of the chat, so having control over your message makes the experience smoother. So overall the process is simple. You choose a character, start chatting, and let your imagination do the rest. One moment it can feel like you are talking to an unusual friend, and the next moment you are inside a completely different world. You build the story with a character who feels like they came from your favorite fantasy, anime, or game-style universe. So friends, Emochi feels like the kind of app you open when normal scrolling gets boring and you want something more playful. For me, the fun part is that you do not need a serious reason to use it. You can just jump into a different world, start a random story, meet a strange character, or make your evening feel a little less ordinary. Mates, you are not just reading a story here, you are shaping it with every message. You choose the character, the vibe, the mood, and where the conversation goes next. So if you want to try Emochi yourself, download it from the link in the description. And leave a comment under this video, because Emochi will randomly pick 3 people from the comments to win a 1-month free membership. If you're excited to try it out, or if you already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.